Liming, the man with a second nose. Once upon a time, the term wearing your heart on your sleeve was the height of emotional expressiveness. And that's old news now thanks to Liming, the man who literally wears his nose on his forehead. Isn't it amazing how medical marvels just continue to blow our minds? So how did Liming come to sport such a schnoz on his forehead, you may ask? Well, sit tight because this is an intriguing journey. Living in the sprawling land of China, Liming was a typical young man enjoying his early 20s until a dreadful accident wreaked havoc with his face. A severe mishap damaged his original nose, and with it, his ability to breathe normally. Talk about a rough break. But this is where the story takes a turn for the astounding. If you think that doctors are just about white coats and serious faces, wait until you meet the medical geniuses who treated Liming. They didn't only think outside the box, they threw the box away. When traditional medical practices did not work, they concocted a plan that was so daring it would make your head spin, or at least your nose twitch. Surgeons set about constructing a second nose, but not just anywhere. They decided to grow this new nose smack in the middle of Liming's forehead. A bit unconventional, sure, but effective, absolutely. This is not an everyday nose job that I'm talking about. This is cutting-edge science and medicine working hand in hand. Using tissue expanders and cartilage taken from his ribs, they skillfully grew a new nose. Can you imagine looking in the mirror every morning and watching a nose grow on your forehead? As the skin expanded and the shape of the nose became more prominent, it must have felt like a living piece of art in progress. But here's the real kicker. The new nose was not only for show. Once it was fully developed, they planned to transplant it to its proper location. Imagine having a spare body part on your body itself. This ingenious solution not only promised to give him a functional nose once again, but also to restore his facial symmetry. While it might seem a little bit extreme, it was a stark example of how far we've come in the medical world and the lengths that surgeons will go to restore normality to their patients' lives. A forehead nose might raise some eyebrows, but in the grand scheme of things, it's a testament to human innovation. And so, the next time that you're feeling a bit down in the dumps about that annoying pimple on your nose, spare a thought for Liming. After all, he's a guy who had to navigate life with an extra nose on his forehead. And who knows, maybe he's now the best at sniffing out a good story. And Liming has certainly redefined the term face value.